In this video, I will show you how to schedule posts on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Instagram. So you can see I'm currently here on my Instagram profile page. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually make sure you've got a professional Instagram account. If you don't have one set up, all you want to do is come across to your profile page, press onto the three lines in the top right hand corner, which is going to take you into your settings. Then what you want to do is just scroll down on this page into the section for professionals and then press onto account type and tools. Now once you've done that, you're going to see at the top the option to switch to a professional account. So you want to select this option and then go through the steps to switch to a professional account, and this is going to enable you to schedule your posts. So you just want to go through and basically complete the steps just like so. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to the setup screen. You don't actually have to set this up straight away. As soon as you switch to a professional account, you can go ahead and schedule posts. So if you don't want to do this straight away, just come up to the top right hand corner, press onto the X, and you're going to be taken back to your profile page. As you can see, we've got our professional dashboard, which now shows we've got a professional account. Now, at this point, to schedule a post, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is go down to the bottom to your toolbar and press the post button just like so. And then what you can do is just start creating your post as per normal. So you're just going to select your picture like so, press next, and then what you can do is add things like your music and your text and things like that, just like so. Once you're happy with your post, just come down to the bottom right hand corner and press the blue next button. Then what you want to do is go ahead and press OK. And then once you've added your caption and things like that, before you actually go ahead and press the blue share button, if you actually scroll up on this page towards the bottom, you want to press onto advanced settings. What that's going to do is take you into a screen like this. At the top, you're going to see an option to schedule the post. So all you want to do is turn the switch on like so. Then what you can do is choose when you want to schedule your post for. So you can see we can select the date down here and the time that we want to schedule this post for. Once you've done that, go ahead and press done. As you can see, we've now got a confirmation at the top on when this post is going to go live. So once you've done that, just come up to the top left hand corner and press onto the back arrow button. And you'll notice now at the bottom, instead of saying share, it's going to say schedule, this blue button. So all you want to do is press the blue schedule button. And as you can see, it says at the bottom scheduling. So it's just going to take a minute or two to get this ready. And as you can see, we've got a confirmation here saying when our post is scheduled to go live. So that is how to schedule posts on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.